And today we're gonna show you guys how to go to the movies and watch Lilo and Stitch. All right, so step one, good catch. Step one, we have to get to the movie theater. So we're at the theaters now, we're here. Step two, we need to buy our tickets. So let's go buy our tickets, because then step three, we have to get popcorn. You ready? All right, so let's go buy our tickets, come on. Girl, so we got to the movie theaters, and now we have to buy our tickets here. All right, so that we can watch. I know, we're gonna go watch that movie. So yeah, we gotta get our tickets here. This is step two, so get our tickets.
Here we have Lilo and Stitch.
Uh-huh.
I agree.
My favorite part is the popcorn. Emy Girl, popcorn is step three, okay? I'm excited for step three.
We gotta pick our seats.
All right, which seat do you want, Emy Girl? This is the screen where Lilo and Stitch is gonna play. Where do you want to get it? In the front? All right, pick those.
Let's do these.
Yep. All right, we're gonna get them. All right, Emy Girl, let's go get the popcorn. Come on, let's go, let's go. All right, guys, step three, my favorite part, the popcorn. You gotta pick out a big popcorn. This is step what? What step is this, Emy Girl? What step is this? Step what? Step three. Step four, we gotta get a soda. And step five, we get inside the movie theater.
Buttery popcorn.
Buttery popcorn. There you go. Oh yeah. You're excited for Lilo and Stitch?
I can't wait to watch it.
All right, let's go.
Here.
Thank you, baby girl. I'm gonna take this.
Oh, looks like
Let's go.
I'm talking to the viewers.
Oh, the viewers ate that. Okay, so let's get some soda. You want some soda? You gotta get all the snacks, all the candy, all the soda, all the popcorn at the movie. Come on, let's go.
I'll take those.
Okay, guys, this is not part of the steps.
Oh, push. There you go.
Let me see your lips.
Get some Sprite.
This is just B-roll. There's no,
Oh.
Just make a silly face. Are you ready? We're
We have
here.
our popcorn and our soda.
We're here at the movie. Where's Emy Girl? Oh, Emy Girl, look, we're here. Lilo and Stitch. Is that Lilo or is that Stitch? That's Stitch. All right, we have to complete step five. We have to get to the actual theater.
I know.
Come on, let's get to the theater. We gotta go. What movie is that? We gotta go see this movie. That's the Smurfs. You wanna see the Smurfs?
Yeah.
Are you in your PJs?
Yeah.
Are you in your PJs? Let's go do step five. Come on. I am in my PJs. I'm not in my PJs. No, you got me. All right, come on, take me to the theater. Take me to the theater. Come on. Go. Come on. Theater 7. Lilo and Stitch. So we're here. You can hear it? Okay. Theater 7. We're here. Emy Girl. So we completed step 5. Listen, we can't record in there. So we have to tell our viewers bye. We'll tell them when we leave how good the movie was. Bye. You ready to go see it? You ready? You're excited? You ready to see it? She's ready, guys. She can't wait. All right, we're going to tell them how the experience was after. We're holding her back. Come on. Let's go. We're going to enter. You ready? You hear it? Whoa. All right, we got to go, guys. Bye.
We got her blanket and the seats reclined.
Hey, how was the Stitch movie?
Good.
Yeah, you had a good time? It was so much fun. That was a great movie,
10 out of
right?
10.
10 out of 10 movie. And KK did the drawing too, guys. I'm gonna
I
link
did do the
the
drawing.
channel. She did Stitch and she did Lilo, right? Hey, let me see you dance. Let me see you do your hula dance. Because why? It was in Hawaii, the movie, right? And they do the hula dance, right? They say what? How do you say hello? Aloha. Aloha. We completed all 5 steps. We showed them how to come to the movies and how to get popcorn and how to get your movie tickets, right?
Yep.
And we
And
completed
we brought our
movie trip.
blankets and everything.
Yep.
It was good.
All right, say bye, guys. On the next how-to video. We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See ya.